Thank you, John. Karol is back now, and she has a recipe for what she is calling Nutella Popcorn Chow. It also makes a great gift, and we're using popcorn, which is big for us here in our state.
Yes, and I use some popcorn. This is from Skylar, the Curly Farms.
Oh, right. So this is the one that you take like this, and you just put it in your microwave?
That's right, and it just pops, and you can see the cob that's still in there. So that's how much popcorn it makes.
Fun, yeah.
Yeah, so I use that, and then I made up a Nutella chocolate with a cup of chocolate chips, 3/4 of a cup Nutella, some butter, and some vanilla. And you just heat it in the microwave. You got to be really careful on heating chocolate in the microwave. Sometimes
keep stirring it,
yeah,
right?
keep stirring it, yes. And then we dump it in with powdered sugar and shake it up. So we'll see if you want to carefully hold that, and we'll get that in there and shake it up.
So did you put the chocolate over the popcorn first?
Yes.
And then you put it on the powdered sugar?
Yeah, then I put on the powdered sugar, and we just give it a mighty shake and kind of use a big bag and shake it up and get it all covered.
It would be bad if I didn't have this very tight.
I know. I had one bag that had a little teeny hole in it, and
powdered sugar everywhere.
Powdered sugar everywhere, yes.
This would be fun for the kids to do, of course.
Oh, absolutely.
Okay.
And it would make great gifts, and we'll just dump it in this bowl because I have some that's already made, and it makes great gifts. You can use a purchase jar. We have all these wonderful, pretty jars you can buy, or just take a recycled jar and fill it up with popcorn and give it to friends for snacks, or just keep in the cupboard for yourself. Or
just stick some in here.
Yeah, just stick some in there like that, and it keeps quite a while. And if you want to put it in the refrigerator, that will let it last a little longer. But it's just such a fun snack. And of course, this popcorn would have more calories. But you know, just for a plain snack, popcorn itself has like 30 calories per cup, just plain, you know, like air popped corn. And that's a wonderful low-calorie snack too.
Great snack instead of going to the vending machine at work.
Exactly.
Take some popcorn with you to work.
Yeah, just take some popcorn with you to work.
All right.
Yeah.
I have to give it a try here. It was very good.
Yeah, I was pleasantly surprised. I'm not really a Nutella person, but I know lots and lots of people just love Nutella.
All right.
So it really turned out kind of fun.
It sure did. Thank you, Karol. And we have that recipe already posted on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page. Now back to John.